This Hobson Realtors property video is presented by Jennifer and Joel Hobson. One of the finest homes in gated Normandy Park. Over 7,200 square feet on one of the biggest lots, 0.58 acres. Features 6 en-suite bedrooms, 2 down, cozy screen porch, 4-car garage, gunite pool with waterfall and plenty of yard. 10 ceilings, 5 fireplaces, office, laundry up and down, fully equipped cook's kitchen open to keeping room, generator, camera system, buzz off, gated drive, grand manor roof, tankless hot water, cameras, Playrm West/kitchenette. For more information, review the details below or contact Jennifer and Joel Hobson at 901-761-1622.